Hey everyone, my name is Dan.
And my name is Peter, and we'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support throughout the year and for being a Teamwork.com customer.
We've had some really great updates to Teamwork in 2023, including retainers, where you can manage ongoing client work like a pro and keep fluctuating budgets in check. Our proofs feature gives you the power to manage the entire life cycle of a proof, from creation to client sign-off.
And what about timesheets? My Timesheets offers a single place to quickly add multiple time logs and spot any gaps in your week, whereas Company Timesheets points a complete picture of where your team is spending their hours.
And our HubSpot partnership and integration, where you can now create projects, tasks, messages, milestones, events, and more in Teamwork.com directly from HubSpot.
But on a more important note,
we just want to wish you and your family very safe and happy holidays.
And we can't wait to share what we've got coming for you in 2024.